Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is minestrone. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, I've got some vegetables in here, some leeks. We're gonna open the leeks by 4. Then we're going to give them a good wash under cold running water. Then we're going to cut them cubes. Then we're going to put them into this container for the time being. Okay, as you can see, under the chopping board, always use a wet cloth. The reason why is so the chopping board doesn't move, and that way you work safely. Okay, so we put the leeks in here. Now the celery, we're gonna wash the celery. Then what we're going to do, we're going to take the bottom out, and we are going to then we cut the celery by half and chop the celery cubes and put it with the leeks. Okay, so we're going to cut the celery by half like that. Then I'm going to cut it cubes, not too big and not too small, just a medium size cubes. Okay, and we're going to put it with the leeks. Now we're going to do the courgettes. I've got 2 courgettes in here. We're going to take the top and bottom out, cut it by half, then 1, 2, and then we chop it into nice, again, medium size cubes. Oops. Remember, before you do any recipes, always prepare all the ingredients before. So that way when you come to do the recipe, you are not running out of any ingredients. So read the full method and then do the recipes. That's the courgettes in that container. Now we're going to do the carrots. I have 4 small carrots. We're going to peel them and then chop them the same size as the leeks and the courgettes. So now we're going to take the top, bottom out, cut the carrots by half, then by half again, and then we can cut them into nice, beautiful cubes. I'm going to try to fit the carrots with the rest of the vegetables. That's the carrots. Now we're going to turn the heat on a medium to high heat, and we're going to add some oil. So by the time we have the oil heating up, we're going to cut the beans by half. Okay? Then, after we're going to cut the beans by half, we're going to cook the vegetables, give them a nice good cook. If the beans has the top with the stalk, just remove it. Fortunately, these beans, they don't have the stalk on top. Okay? So now we've got all the vegetables in here. As you can see, for the minestrone, the oil should be hot. We're gonna can turn the heat up. We're going to cook the vegetables nicely. Look at that. For about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay? So we're going to let the vegetables to cook for about 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. For recipes with pictures, please do log on our website, robandjace.com, or follow us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jace. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram as well. And please do share our recipes so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now we're going to leave the vegetables to cook at about 12 to 15 minutes. Then we can continue with the recipe. So now, after 15 minutes, oh, I forgot to tell you to put the lid on for 12 to 15 minutes. So now we're gonna add the stock, 2 liters of water, and we add 2 vegetable cubes. We're gonna add the chopped tomatoes, okay, with a little bit of water in there. Then we add a little bit herbs, just a little bit thyme in there. Then what we're gonna do, turn the heat full. We're gonna bring this lovely minestrone to the boil. Put the lid on. We're gonna bring the minestrone to the boil. Then we're gonna simmer for about 30 minutes on a nice gentle heat. Okay, so we put the heat full, cover. When it's boiling, we reduce the heat and we let it cook slowly for about 30 minutes. So now, after half an hour, 30 minutes simmering with the lid on, what we're gonna do, look at that. What we're gonna do, we're gonna add the pasta, we're gonna add the beans, we're gonna give it a good stir, we're gonna cover it again and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. So now, after 10 minutes, we're gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna check the seasoning. Some good seasoning, and we've got beautiful, lovely minestrone done. What's good about minestrone as well, you can leave it to cool down and get cold, and you can eat it cold the next day. It will be much better. For more video recipes, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Bye now, bye bye.